Hello, my name is Philip Sykes and I represent an organisation by the name of the British School of Excellence. Some of you already know the organisation and some of you already know me and I know you. This really is a message to everyone out there to ask a huge favour. I know the world is in a very challenging place right now for millions of us right now, millions of people out there. As an organisation, one of the things we absolutely project and do is kindness, thoughtfulness, caring. And this is leading into the fact that as an organization, like many of us in this world, we support people who are less privileged than us, people who have very little in this world. And we support an organization called Push Child Foundation in Uganda. And I'm very much a part of that organization, and I would very much value all of you out there to understand how just $5 US, $10 US can give a child a meal for a week and a book and a pencil so that child can go to school. Some of these children don't have parents. Some of these children don't have a home. It is an orphanage and it is set up by Mr. Enoch in Uganda, who is obviously the driver behind Push Child Foundation in Uganda. I'm asking you from the bottom of my heart to please consider the merest, smallest donation will go a very long way. We really need to help and support this organization. It's very close to my heart. And we as adults, as people out there, we are the shepherds. We're there to guide and steer people and give them what we can and do what we can. So please, I'm asking you, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video. If you could just make a small donation, whatever you can afford, I would be so grateful. And I know every single child within the Push Child Foundation Uganda would be absolutely incredibly grateful. That I can assure you. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me, and I'm wishing you all the very best.